real crypto investing, and we're going to get into some updates. And the reason XRP Army is infiltrating my channel at massive levels, and we're the fastest growing channel for XRP in that community, unlike this shyster. And this is XRP Sniper, Shasha and Toby Scumbag. The reason I call you, I'm not calling, as you read his comments, he spreads like this guy. Thank you. Sasha and Toy, formerly known as XRP Sniper, formerly known as ADIX or whatever that other garbage coin that's bankrupt already is. He spreads misinformation and propaganda under various names, right? And then he goes and says, likes to bring my brother up into it all the time for some reason. But then he sits there and says that I talk shit about this guy without knowing anything about him. No, you're the one that comes on my page and talk shit, propaganda, and FUD, misinformation, because that's all you are as a propagandist artist.
Look at these articles,
because you come in here talking all kinds of nonsense, right? I leave your comments on. Your last time as XRP Sniper, you banned yourself for like 6 months. But here's what this guy does, and why I call him a shyster.
That Sasha
wait till XRP pump.
Is looking for, and no Vincenzo calls out, and it's not. And if you follow these moon boys back then, you were fleece heisted and
it's not going down to whatever your current forecast is on the downside, and it's never going to go below this again. Last year at this time, XRP will never go below $1.50. Then he erases the comments. 6 months later goes, when XRP is 99 cents, pumps to $1.06, XRP will never go to your 20-cent target that we had last year, and will never go below $1. Then it does, then he erases his comments. Winch, Ross, repeat, and here you are again. You're a shyster and a scumbag. You come on here promoting nonsense and spread false information about what I say, where if you listen and watch the video, you'll see what I say, because my channel is here public for all. You hide and don't have any links to your channel so I can look at your content over the years. You have nothing to back your work up with what you say. You're just an XRP scumbag. That's why you change your names, and all you do is talk trash, because you get fleece heisted and shysted. And when someone doesn't agree with you, you fight them the whole way down, come into their channel and spread misinformation and spread and say things that people never said, trying to make somebody look a certain way, because you just have a narcissism about you, and it's just astounding. It's just astounding the kind of person you are. You obviously have a low self-esteem, a low quality of life, because you come on the YouTube pages that have nailed the crypto, right? Nailed it. Nailed XRP, right? Nailed Bitcoin. We called the double top. We called the first top when my channel came on back here when XRP Sniper was a scumbag like he was there and is now here, right? And we told you a huge flush was coming, but the caveat, there could be a big return. Yes, I thought that the bull trap would stop right about here. That's why we had that upper resistance. Yeah, it blew up to a classic mountain double top, which is the most bearish long-term macro patterns you can get as far as topping reversal patterns or pattern reversals in general. And we learned that the targeted move last year on this double top that we called was from the top of the head to the bottom to the neckline. And that gets you all the way down here to 13,390. And that's why we had this late 2022 target of 13,336 when the price was sitting up here at 66,000 and rising. The only one calling that, and you were on here, XRP Sniper, to show your credibility. You were on here talking your schmuck that Bitcoin was going to 100,000 right there, that XRP was going to be $4 or $5 by now, and whatever other nonsense coins you were spilling. And old Vincenzo laid it out where you were going, right? Then we marked down where the Fed did quantitative tightening, when they were going to start raising interest rates in the horizontal yellow line, right? Right in the middle of our first flush on the second mountain double top, and only as a one-of-a-kind technical analysis with truth and integrity as your most trusted source for blockchain technology, because not only did we lay the double top, a return rally up to here, yes, it came a little bit higher. Nobody can get the exact top or bottom. And then we laid out the flush again, and after it started flushing on the double top, we got into this bearish consolidation here after the Fed started quantitative tightening, and we diagnosed, sniffed out, and detected this way out ahead of the competition and way out ahead of what XRP Sniper, that scumbag, knows. And again, my technical analysis As XRP Sniper said it was going to moon, it didn't. It was going to moon, it didn't. It was going to moon, it didn't. Got rejected, 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 like old Vincenzo said, right? And we laid out that this was a midterm, mid-move, bearish continuation pattern for this mountain double top. And the way you do this targeted move is, if you notice, you have uptrending upper resistance and uptrending lower support. This is a bear flag, and you take it from the top of the flagpole to the bottom to the point of a breakout, and that gets you right down to that 20,992, right? I mean, look at that. And that's almost getting down to your $13,000 target. That we'll see XRP Sniper. If it hits 13,336 by the end of the year, I expect big apologies, and you should be donating me all kinds of money for all your propaganda and your misinformation that you spread, right? And it's just astounding that I laid this out, and the pattern's been going beautifully, and now you get a scumbag in here trying to, for whatever reason, destroy my channel, which can only lead me to believe that XRP Sniper is part of the paid promoters and the YouTube hustlers, like all the Luna hustlers, the Big Connect hustlers, right? All these guys that are selling you stuff to try to get rich off of you. That leads me to believe, XRP Sniper, you have zero integrity, and you have zero truth, because you're a paid promoter via all these shit coins that are out there. It wouldn't surprise me in the least bit if you're being paid as an XRP shill, right? Just like the Big Connect shows, the Trevon Jameses of the world, the Crypto Nicks, right? All those guys that get paid to show, like Carl from the Moon, he gets paid to show coins, right? And then he shows them and gets paid by you buying them, right? And so I'm explaining that to the audience because I have truth and integrity, unlike you, XRP Sniper, that Carl from the Moon literally made his own coin up, his own shit coin, shilled it onto you guys as he had nothing to do with it, and it was the next great coin, literally sold it from 0 cents to a few fractions of a cent and made thousands of %. And then as soon as he unloaded all his shares of the coin that he created, but didn't tell you that, the price went essentially to 0. But he got rich, and all of you guys got poor. But then you got someone like old Vincenzo with truth and integrity that lay it all out on the line, like Shooter McGavin, right? Shoot him. Shoot us time, right? And he tells you, and I tell you how it is. You get a paid, obviously this can only lead me to believe XRP Sniper is a paid promoter of shitcoins, because he comes in and tries to attack people and drive down a channel that speaks truth and integrity in the utmost, right? And is not getting paid, and is not getting any money from anybody to promote anything. I have to believe, and the evidence can only lead me to believe, by the insistency of XRP Sniper over a year and almost a half now of constantly coming onto this channel and trying to criticize and defame with misinformation, propaganda, and outright lies. That old Vincenzo on my channel, right? It can only lead me to believe you're a paid promoter, right? That's what's going on here. It has to be what's going on here, and you should be ashamed of yourself. And you're being shown to be the fraud that you are without me even doing anything, right? So we're going to leave him in the dust. And anybody that's listening to this guy has to dig deep into what he's really all about, because I have to believe he's some kind of he's a paid promoter, like Crypto Nick, Carl from the Moon, because he gets offended when I expose people that are showing you nonsense to get rich, right? They're selling you literally coins they created, or being paid for millions of dollars to get you in on a hype train so these guys can sell into it and get loaded, right? And then the paid promoters on YouTube get their check, and you guys get left holding a bag of shit, right? And 99% of these coins that you guys and XRP Sniper brought up that I would look at and go, these are junk, like Turnkey and the rest of them, from 10 months ago after the hype cycle, these coins are down 90%. Some of them, like Luna, went bankrupt. Luna went bankrupt. If you had any money in Luna Now Classic, you lost it all, right? It's gone. It's worthless. And now you have Luna 2.0. That, again, in the future, will be worthless, right? You guys got to understand what's going on with these paid promoters and these YouTube charlatans that try to spread propaganda and misinformation because they have no integrity, right? They have no backbone or integrity. They're just looking out trying to fleece, heist, and shiest you out of your hard-earned money when somebody like Old Vincenzo shoots you straight, has been consistent, and has shot you with truth, right, the whole time. My work speaks for itself. You can go back on the channel and pull it up on where I've called pumps and dumps. Yeah, you're wrong occasionally. Can't be 100% right when it's an active market. If somebody could be 100% right, you'd be billionaire, and I'd be telling you guys how to all be billionaires, right? You can only try to read the tea leaves and try to get the overall macro, short and long term, the micro and macro perspective, and the trends that are going to take place. And old Vincenzo's consistently been out ahead of it and on top of it, right? And we've been telling you there could be a crypto pump because the stock market was pumping on a dollar retracement, and I've been watching that for you and been keeping you out ahead of that. And crypto hasn't pumped yet. You keep bouncing off support, but you keep getting beat down by this overhead resistance, right? So we're going to watch out for this and see if we can't get that little pump like the stock market did and get that little relief rally, or if this must come down to this 24,959 first, right? Like, subscribe, and share. Watch out for fleece heisters and shysters and misinformation propagandists, artists like XRP Sniper. Peace and love. Continue to support the channel.